Howdy folks, today we're looking at this Ampeg SVT-3 Pro. Got my chopstick, sort of been going through and diagnosing what could be the problem. Customer complained about a buzzing sound, like a hum. I tapped some of these tubes and they all sounded microphonic. This one actually is microphonic, and I'll show you what that sounds like. I'm going to turn the volume up. So what you'll be hearing is a little bit of a hum coming through the speaker. Is purely because I've got my input jack, I've got a cable plugged in, however it's not plugged into anything at all, so that's what's picking up that sound. I've got the amp turned up all the way. Now if I turn the amp down all the way, so you'll hear me tapping on the tube, but you won't hear that little clunk clunk, little springy sound afterwards. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is clean all the tube sockets. That's worth doing anyway. Secondly, what I found as I was tapping around up here is all the tubes sounded microphonic. Now I can't reproduce this, and I've tried to off camera. I should have been recording when I was doing this, but I needed my hands to tap around. Just for fun, I ran my chopstick across this convoluted wire, and when I got to about here, just above this capacitor, it was very loud. What it turned out to be was this connector right here wasn't sitting on the circuit board properly. It was really loud, like someone was plugging and unplugging something in. Turns out, yeah, this connector was not sitting properly, so it's probably just come out. I'm going to go ahead and replace V1 here, I believe that's V1, and see if this remains microphonic, and if it does, then I'll go ahead and replace some others. I've noticed these are all Sovtex, except for the 12AU7 is Electro Harmonics. You know, same factory, whatever, but you know, they are different tubes, and I prefer Electro Harmonics over Sovtex anyway. But this one is a different brand. I'm not sure if it's meant to be that way, and Sovtex just don't have 12AU7s. However, I'm going to replace this one to start with, like I said, and then see how I go. If there's any differences, I'll record it. If not, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Leave a comment below. I'm interested to hear about what people think about how this power section here works. Yeah, very curious. Thanks for watching.